Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today I'm doing a things I'm loving or favorites videos. This is several products over several months that I've had, that I've been using, that I just absolutely adore and love. We're going to start with some brushes. I have several things to mention here. But this brush is from AOA Studio, and this is their large fan brush. Yes, large fan brush. I've been using this to apply blush, and it just gives you such a natural application. It's not overdone. It's just so light and feathery. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just beautiful, it's gorgeous, and it's natural. Highly recommend trying to apply your blush with a fan brush. This one's nice and fluffy and big too, so it blends very nicely. Love it. Love it. The next set of brushes are the AOA Studios All About the Eyes, and you can find all this stuff on shopmissa.com. But look at this, like these brushes, for months now you've seen me hardly use anything in my videos and tutorials except for these. I love them, and I clean them with the Zote soap, and it helps with the staining because they're white bristled. They're phenomenal, so soft. I mean, they blend like no other brushes that I've had. They take the work out of it. Legitly, they're awesome. There is a brush in this set to do any look you want. You want a smoky eye, you want a cut crease, you want a basic everyday look, you want a really blended out look. I mean, you want to pack on the color, there's a brush in there for that. Smoke out your lash line, there's a brush in there for that. The only brush in the set that I don't really use is the 125. It's an angle brush like that. I don't know. I just don't really use that one. But the rest of them, 9 out of the 10 brushes. And it comes with a nice little cup to carry them in. A new product that I actually got, I don't know, a month or so ago. Probably more than a month now. And it's the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. This is the rose water one. I love this. I've used about a quarter of the bottle now, and I just spritz it on my face like every morning, literally every morning, and throughout the day whenever I just feel like having a mist. It's soothing, it smells really nice, and it kind of gives your skin like this glow. I also have been loving the LA Colors setting spray. This is $3 for 1 ounce of product. Really nice spray though. It does help my makeup to last all day long, and this past summer it's been so hot, so humid here. Not like record high temperatures like we've had in the past, but just really humid. And of course, you know, your makeup's literally going to melt off, but this has really helped my makeup with its staying power. A primer I've really been loving is the NYX Pigment Primer, and you don't have to only use this with pigments. You can use this with any foil metallic eyeshadow, probably any eyeshadow you want, to be honest, but it really, really makes the metallic foiled shades pop. They really adhere to your lid, and you'll see them in a whole new light when you use this pigment primer. I picked this up for I think $6 at Walmart. Amazing. An eyebrow product I have is the e.l.f. Neutral Brown Pencil. I've really been loving this. I've only had it for like a month or so, but it's really great. I like that it's not so much of, it's not a warm brown, it's a cool tone brown, and I find that a lot of the brow products that I buy and find in stores or on Shop Miss A are warm toned. That it just gives my eyebrows a different kind of look, and I like it. Now, 2 mascaras, and you've probably only seen these 2 mascaras for the past couple months, but I absolutely love them, and I'm getting ready to repurchase this one. It's the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I love this mascara. I use it all the time. It gives my lashes length and volume. I just love it. It's so nice, I think. It does make them a little bit spidery, but honestly, I really don't mind that. If you do mind the spider lashes, you may want to check this one out. And it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this one as well. And I just layer this baby on, and It makes your lashes look so good. This is like false lash status. Now a blush trio I've really been loving, and this is an oldie but a goodie. And I've had this for several years, and I use this all the time, and it barely looks dented in. I'm serious. And it's the Rimmel Blush Trio. Or, well, it's a highlighter, bronzer, and a blush trio. And it's in Coral Glow. Look how adorbs that packaging is also. And I think they have 2 or 3 of these to choose from. And they might not even have them anymore, but I hope that they do. The blush is so beautiful. I've used it all summer, and like I said, and I've had this for a couple years now, and there's like no dents in this product except for the highlighter. And I literally use this all the time, which is great because you don't need a lot of product. I just think it's a really great product. I love the highlighter. I remember when I first got this now, I would use this trio a lot and only use the highlighter, so that's probably why that looks more dented in than the other 2 shades. But lately, the past, I don't know, 4 months, I've been using exclusively that blush. Now 2 eyeshadow palettes that I've really been loving, and will come to probably no surprise, but it's the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted palette. This palette smells amazing. Oh my goodness. The shadows are so nice and creamy. Yeah, there's kickback. There is fallout. It's okay. This was like, I don't know, $12, $10, something like that. You're going to have those issues. But the pigmentation on the shadows is fantastic in my opinion. This is beautiful. This is such a great palette. And I did a bunch of looks with these palettes that I'm talking about. I will link a lot of them in the description box for you guys. And then I also picked this up in everyday, and I wear this a lot, and just do regular old looks. Now the next one's the LemonadeCraze palette from Maybelline. Love this. This was $10. A lot of people didn't like this one. I personally do like this one, and I reach for it quite often, even though we're transitioning into fall. There are some shades in here that will still work for fall, and I'm excited to still continue to use this palette. Now some of the shades are a bit sheer, and they are powdery. There's some glitter fallout with some of them, but honestly, none of that bothers me, really. I just don't care, you know. I will work around that instead of sitting at my chair and complaining about every little piece of fallout that happened on my cheek and how the shade wasn't very pigmented, when you can overcome that and work with it. This foundation, the LA Colors Radiant Foundation, I've used a bunch of this actually, and it's a skin nourishing long wear liquid makeup. It's $4, and the shade I have is Ivory, so I'm pretty sure first or second shade in the line because I'm that pale. But I like that this foundation is like a thick consistency. It's buildable. You can build this up to almost full coverage, and it just makes you kind of it's definitely not matte. It is a radiant foundation, so you appear glowy, and I do like the coverage on this, and I've used it quite a bit. But this $4 one is amazing, and I cannot wait to try the truly matte foundation from them. Yeah, I'm going to go to Family Dollar and pick that up. 2 lipsticks I have to share with you guys are both from Maybelline. You've seen them several times in my videos all year long. And I have, the first one is 920 Nude Lust, and I love this lipstick so much. I need a new one. I think it's the perfect nude shade, especially for if you have fair skin like me. And it's just absolutely stunning, and honestly I think it would look good on any skin tone, but it doesn't make you look sickly, or it's not too peachy in the way of like nude, and it's not like matte either, so I don't know, it's just beautiful. I highly recommend Nude Lust. And then the next one is Honey Pink, and this is matte. The number on that is $5.50. And this one's beautiful. I use this a lot with my coral and peach looks this summer. Highly recommend this shade. It's so beautiful. These two especially. Like, I use them so much. And honestly, Nude Lust like hardly ever leaves my purse. I literally use it and pair it with all kinds of numerous looks. So next up and final items are going to be nail polishes. So a color I've been using a lot, and I use this in ombre fades, elegant stamping. If I'm feeling a nude shade, I just love this nail polish. I found it at the Dollar Tree for $1, and it's the Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish in Ash Nude. If you can find this one, I highly recommend it. It's just beautiful, elegant, classy nude shade. Now, last item is the Nail Aid Sapphire Strength Mega Growth Top Coat. Now this, I like to apply this first before I apply any colors, before I apply my base coat, anything. I saw Love for Nails talking about this, and if any of you watch her videos, you know her long, she has really long nails, you guys. And one of her products she said she'd been using is this sapphire nail polish, and she did a video on it. So I went to Walmart, I found it. I am going to purchase backups because this stuff really does work. Like, not only does it give you strength, but a mega growth for real. Like, I had to cut my nails down, like, I don't know, a few weeks ago. And, you know, I was pretty bummed about it. But I use this every time I change my polish as the first polish that I use. And my nails are already back to where they were a couple weeks ago, and that might seem like a long time, but nails sometimes don't grow super fast, and other times some people's nails grow incredibly fast, but mine's like in the middle. So I was pretty impressed with how fast that my nails actually grew. I've had no breaks, and I think this is a fantastic product for $3.88 at Walmart. Definitely, if you have long nails or you want long nails, maybe you should try this product. It's really awesome. So yes, that's all for the things I'm loving video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Found some products you may want to try out for yourself. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.